Okay, we're going to grab our paper and our Sharpie and start by drawing at least 10 shapes. Now remember, if I might make a mistake or I am scared of making a mistake and not being able to start over, I need to draw in a pencil first. So the first shape that I'm going to draw is a circle in the bottom corner. Then I'm going to draw a triangle right beside that. And I can overlap my shapes, which means draw on top of each other, which is something I did not want to do with my lines, but it's okay if you do that with your shapes. I chose not to, just so we could see clear shapes. And then I have a heart and a very skinny rectangle. So far, I'm on my 5th shape, and I need 5 more. So there is a square. I'm then going to draw a diamond, filling up my whole paper. And if I need to draw more than 10 shapes to fill my paper, I can. But we need at least 10 shapes. Then I'm going to draw an organic shape like we learned in our shape song. At the top of my paper, I'm drawing an oval. And then under my organic shape, I'm going to carefully draw a star. Now, if you don't know how to draw a shape, you can always ask for help, or you can just draw shapes that you know how to draw. So you could have 5 circles and 5 triangles, or any kind of shapes that you want. So now I just need a few more shapes to fill my space. I probably could have filled my space with some smaller shapes, but that's okay. I chose to stop at 10. After I'm done with my shapes, make sure I have all my space filled, and I put my lid back on my Sharpie nice and tight. If you want shapes that go off of your paper like mine do, then that's okay too. Now we're ready for colors. I am now using my secondary colors, so green, purple, and orange. I'm going to fill each shape with a different color. And unlike my line video, it's okay if I don't have a pattern or if some colors overlap a little bit. Now, I chose to only color my shapes, but it would have been fun to color my background with some different secondary colors, kind of mixing and matching and making it look tie-dye, or picking one color to stay my background and coloring my shapes with the other 2 colors. But you do not have to leave your background white. I just left mine white so that I could save time. Make sure you use your paint sticks nice and neatly, no pushing down really hard or screwing them all the way up, and make sure you put the caps on them nice and tight. Again, we may have to share some colors with our friends, and that's okay. I'm going to fill in all my white space, and then once I'm done, hand this paper in, and we are all done with our secondary shape.